Hi everyone, it's Josie from Luxe Unboxing, and today I'm super excited to show you guys that I'm actually here at, so excited to show you, dun dun dun, Rodeo Drive. So I'm actually here walking around, shopping around right now. I wanted to give a huge shout out to Giselle and Richard for always watching my videos, and also to all the RIT subscribers that are on here. Make sure you guys don't forget to enter the 10K peso giveaway. It is going to be ending soon, and all you have to do is just go on the video and write a comment about why you think you should win, and also just make sure you hashtag RIT 300 RIT Luxe, and that is all you have to do. And just make sure that you also subscribe to me and to RIT as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys around really quickly. Take a look. Here we are at Rodeo Drive. Super cute place, and they have so many stores, and they also have, right behind me is the new Louis Vuitton store, and it looks amazing. Hi guys, check it out. We are here at Rodeo Drive. This is Josie from Luxe Unboxing. Just want to show you guys. I am here. There's Fendi, there is Louis Vuitton, there is a Burberry, Van Cleef and Arpels, and the amazing part is that it is so pretty here, and I just wanted to wish you guys happy day. Bye.